Hello! Hope you're doing well today. I'm going to show you the basics on how to use Ibooks Author. Ibooks Author is an app for Apple computers. This is what it looks like. Click it. And here you can see all the templates that you can use. It goes from landscapes, like cookbooks and editorials and photo books, to portraits, like another photo book or biography, to EPUBs. And if you look down here where it says Open Recent, if you made a project recently, you would click here, and that's where it would take you so you can see what you recently did. Next to it, you can see Open an Existing File. This is where if you've already made a project and you've already saved it and published it, this is where you go. Cancel just basically shuts down the program. Choose, if you click Choose and you have something highlighted, it chooses it for you. Or you could just double tap. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use just the normal one. Okay. Over here, you have book title. Book title is basically the title of your book. You can change the name, you can change the author's name, you could change the picture as well. You can change how big it is, how small it is. Underneath, you have intro media. Here, you can add movies, pictures, and audio. Underneath, you have table of contents. Table of contents is basically where you put the titles of the chapters, the subtitles of the chapters, and the main points of the chapters. Glossary is where if you have a word that you think might confuse someone or something like that, you type the word in here, you press add, and then the word would come up here with your definition, related glossary terms. You can, if a word kind of means like this, you could put it down here. And then here you can see the pages that you have written. Okay, and if we go up here to this plus sign where it says Add Pages, click it, you can add chapters, chapter text, chapter photo, or a preface. Or you can add sections, section photo, a copyright page, dedication page. You can add more pages, like one column with a photo, one column with a sidebar, or a blank page. If you click View, here all of these are basically just these, but you can add them or see them in the toolbar like this one. Text box just basically makes a box that you could add text into and write in it. That's basically it. Shapes is all these shapes you can add into your work, like this. This one is used more to separate chapters. Also, if you click the square on shapes, it's basically another text box. Okay. And then table, you can make a table, basically like your table of contents, anything like that. And then over here comes up another toolbar that works specifically for the table, where you can change the column width, the row height, you can change how big your writing is and how big the columns are. widget, here you can add in these things. Like you can add in an interactive image, like a GIF. You can add in like a little quiz. You can add in the Keynote project. You can add pictures or a slideshow. If you click Preview, Preview basically lets you save your project to your computer so that you can view it and see how it's going to look. And Publish. Publish lets you publish your book to the iBooks store. Media lets you add in pictures and audio and movies. Basically, like this does. Colors. Colors lets you change the color of the text. All you have to do is highlight what you want changed, pick a color, and there. Fonts is basically to change the font, how the style of the text is, how the size of it is, if it's regular, italic, bold, semi-bold, semi-bold italic, or bold italic. And yep, that's basically all of the basics on how to use iBooks Author. The rest is really basics on how to use iBooks Author. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you, and have a good day. See you soon.